This car has a trunk that opens like a butterfly to reveal a billionaire's picnic. Meet the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, a $28 million land yacht designed for the ultimate hosting experience. At the press of a button, the rear deck opens to reveal a hosting suite with custom champagne coolers, fine china, and even a pop-up parasol. It took 4 years to build. Every panel is hand-formed aluminum, and the paint contains real crystal flakes that shimmer like the ocean. Rumored to be owned by Jay-Z and Beyoncé, it even comes with his and hers matching Bove watches built into the dashboard. Is this the peak of luxury or just too much? Drop a comment and follow for more from the 1%.